Your engine doesn't fail overnight. It gives you warnings, small signs that most drivers ignore, until one day it's too late. And what could have been a simple fix turns into a massive repair bill. Here are 10 signs your engine is about to fail that you should never ignore. Every engine wears down over time. But before it completely fails, it almost always gives clues. The problem? Most drivers don't recognize them. Or worse, they ignore them. Today, we'll break down the most common warning signs so you can catch the problem early and save yourself thousands. That small light on your dashboard? It's not optional. It's your car's way of telling you something is wrong. Ignoring it is one of the fastest ways to turn a minor issue into major damage. Knocking, ticking, grinding. These sounds don't just happen. They're signs that something inside your engine is wearing out or already damaged. Blue smoke, burning oil. White smoke, coolant leak. Black smoke, too much fuel. Whatever the color, it's never a good sign. If your engine temperature keeps rising, that's a serious warning. Overheating can warp components and destroy your engine completely. If your car feels weaker than usual, slower acceleration, struggling uphill, your engine might be losing compression or fuel efficiency. If you're suddenly visiting the gas station more often, something isn't working efficiently, and that inefficiency can lead to bigger problems. Oil is your engine's lifeline. If it's leaking, your engine is losing protection, and without proper lubrication, damage happens fast. If your car shakes while idling, that's not normal. It could be misfires, fuel issues, or internal engine problems. If your engine suddenly shuts off, that's a major red flag. It means something critical isn't working properly. Burning oil smell, sweet coolant smell. These are warning signs you should never ignore. Here's the truth. Engines don't just fail, they warn you first. And if you catch these signs early, you can avoid major damage. But if you ignore them, you're taking a risk that could cost you thousands. Pay attention to your car. Listen to it. Watch for changes. Because the earlier you act, the more you save. Subscribe to Save Your Engine, because the next mistake you ignore might be the one that breaks your engine.